In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Google Play Store on an iPhone. So currently, as you can see, I'm on an iPhone, and what we want to do is just load up Safari and go to Google and just search for Google Play. Now follow these steps very carefully. So click on it, and we want to select the first link that pops up here. So playgoogle.com, just open this up. Now once we have opened it, we want to go into the apps. So click on apps here. It's going to show you a list of all the different applications here. So the Google Play Store, you will be able to see a list. And this is the most important step here. Underneath the link itself, you want to select this middle button. So click on it just like that. If you didn't see it, again, scroll up and just click on the middle button like that. And we want to scroll down here until you see the option called Add to Home Screen. Click on it, and we want to type, just delete this name and type Google Play Store like this, okay? And we want to add this. Now once you have added it, as you can see, we have the Google Play Store on our iPhone, and if we click it, it's going to take us to the Google Play Store here. And if we try to open any application just like that, it's going to show us the Google Play Store, and we can click on install. And this works the same for all of the applications here. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.